This is going to be basement fire alarm test 6. Let's just go ahead and look at all the devices. First up, we just got a nice and standard FCI MS2 lift and pull station. We'll be pulling that today. For our horn strobe today, we have the FCI HES STW 3-tone horn strobe. It's actually pretty rare, and I have a couple of these in my collection, so I'm going to be featuring this one today. It's set on its default horn tone and will be coded by the panel to code 3. Alright, let's pull. Lift and pull. As you can see, we have Audible Silence, and as you heard, the horn on this alarm sounds very similar to the Simplex 4903-9236 or the Wheelock EH series alarms. So that's kind of a comparison of that sound. Let's go ahead and reset the pull station. Alright, we'll go ahead and reset this with the FCI PK625 key. Put it in, turn it, open it up. Flip that little switch back down and close it back. And reset. Alright, now the system is reset. That's going to conclude the video for today. Thank you for watching. As always, check out my GroupMe, eBay, and Instagram. They're all going to be in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.